Let's get right to it. Lighting is the most important part of taking a good image. Take pictures when the light is good. Golden hour and blue hour are my favorites. In the middle of the day, the sun is usually going to lead to average looking photos. For portraits, shade is your best friend. If there is no shade, make sure at least your subject's face is in the shade for the best light possible. Exposure for landscapes, I'm always underexposing a little bit to get better colors and more full tones. For portraits, I am always exposing for the best skin tone possible. You can do this on your phone by pressing and sliding your finger up and down, or on a fancier camera by changing your exposure compensation. Shoot raw if you're able to, and process your photos in Lightroom. Even if you buy a really expensive camera, the photos will still need some love in post-production to look their absolute best. For composition, framing, I always do my best to find natural frames and elements that bring interest into the image. Rule of thirds, put your subject on one of these intersection lines if possible. Leading lines, roads, paths, or anything to draw you into the image and show depth is going to create a fantastic image. Feel free to leave some questions below and I'll answer as many as I can in the next 1-minute video. There's also some super helpful videos already on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and look through those.